But you wanna know the first thing you should do to any machine? It's a clutch kit. So what is a clutch kit? Why do we do them? So a lot of people, especially first-time machine owners, come in and ask us, where do I start? And people have a tendency to start with, oh, well, I want a sound system, or I want comfy heated seats, or these creature comforts. But I always have the same answer every single time. It's a clutch kit. The reason for that is because Polaris, Can-Am, all these companies, they make a very good cookie cutter, built for everyone type of machine. But there's certain variables that we change, or variables given the area you live in, that you wanna help compensate for. So what it does is it makes your machine run more efficiently. How does it do that? Well, in front of me, I have a clutch kit for a Turbo S. So it includes a helix for the secondary, primary and secondary springs, and then arms. The difference between these arms and the stock arms is you can see these little holes in them, and that allows us to add clutch weights. So we can change the weighting of your clutch based on 3 variables. First is rotating mass, i.e. tire size. So if you go up in tire size, you increase your rotating mass. The second is horsepower. Stock horsepowers vary across the board, but we can also tune, add turbos, we can change the horsepower of a machine as well. We can also change the weighting to adapt to that horsepower. And the third, which is super important for us here in Colorado, is elevation. When your machine feels like it's sluggish and it just won't get out of its own way, we can weight the clutch accordingly to allow for elevation. We use Aftermarket Assassins. They make a great clutch kit for almost every single type of vehicle out there. We probably do hundreds and hundreds of these a year because, like I said, what's the first thing you should do to your machine? I don't care where you are, it's a clutch kit. Click link below, get your clutch kit today.